A lot of times that's what my students are looking for. They're coming to me. They're like, where can I do a passive investment? Where can I get into something that's maybe on cutting edge? And where can I get on a ground floor? And it really sounds like that's what you're up to when you're putting these offers in on properties. Am I understanding that correctly?
Absolutely. So, I mean, this sector is exploding, and already just today, there are some very lucrative cash flow plays, right? And it's not like, low cap multifamily where it's very difficult to cash flow at today's interest rates, even though they're falling a little bit. These are deals that have cash flowed at the worst of interest rates, and they're only going to be more exciting as we can capitalize on this space as the demand continues to grow and we continue to be the foremost experts within this space. We really have an opportunity to capitalize on the market and produce superior returns for ourselves and the people that are aligned with us. So really excited.